Okay, guys. So hello. Today we have another building. This one is it's a bit tricky. So for buildings that look like this, you cannot capture this as one building only. Okay. So because this part is inserted below, it means this part is lower compared to the main building. So okay. So I think the labeler draw it wrong. Okay. So we need to redraw first. I suggest you can draw this. It's better to draw this by portions or by sections. So that's what I do when drawing multi-layered or different layer buildings. So let's check other views. Okay, so one more. Let's see. Again, guys, don't settle for one layer. So you need to switch between layers so that you can see if uh, your base is correct. Next, let's draw this second layer. So press H, just connect, and hold out to adjust. Okay. So check our views. So I think this is correct. So after this one, we will capture this top layer. Okay. So press 9. As you can see on the 3D mode, they have different layers. So that is why the labeler captured this building wrong because I think uh, they have the same layer. So press 9. Let's add an assist line. Okay, so wrong. Again. Oh, shucks. I forgot to draw the top layer, so that's why. Drag, I mean the top ridge, the highest ridge. And so again, I think for me it's much better to draw panels while in 3D mode. So you can snap uh, you can snap better when in 3D mode. So the snapping is better when in 3D mode. So let's connect and let's draw. So it's fine, guys. Okay. So we can insert this panel and we will use the autofix function later. As you can see, the broken lines, it means that the panel is inserted on the building. So we can use autofix later on that area. So let's see. Select group 4 and then F4 to use autofix. Okay, so we are done. So basically that is it. For example, you are not you there's a small error that you want to fix, you can just use M. No need to redraw the whole thing. And we can just drag. Okay, so I think this will do. Let's select. Okay, so this one. Okay, so obstructed. Try this one. And okay, so this is our final result. Okay, so again, if for some reason you can't match a roof, it's probably because they have different heights. Okay, so thanks. Okay. Let's check the final results first for our 3D mode, and it should look like this. Okay. And lastly, do not forget the corner. So let's just draw the corner before we close this one. And This one. So for corners again, make sure that you have similar angles. Okay. It's better to have similar uh, angles so you can adjust. And we are done. So group and okay, so thanks. Hope you can learn from this.